They say you have to follow the rules. You should be like most people. And so, we blend in,
Handle the document immediately.
becoming just another face in the crowd. But this time, it's your choice to walk outside the box and embrace your true self. Choose to be different. Trust your inner voice. Experience extraordinary. Choose to be different. Unveil the elegance and fluidity of life. Be a brand new self. Choose to be different. Shine a dazzling light. Discover a whole new world. Choose to be different. Choose Hisense Roman Holiday.